Hey guys, part of this tutorial, welcome to sando animation. Today we're going to teach you how to make sando in 3D. First of all, you need a software. So if you're not Hey Hum the Soldier, you should have a software like Blender. I use Blender because I'm too poor to buy Maya. But anyways, first of all, you delete this. Second of all, make a UV circle. Third of all, it looks like so crappy. So you just have to do is, set it smooth. And then second of all, you go, you put a texture. So I'm gonna put the texture right now. I'm gonna color it white so to fit sando. If you don't see the texture, then go to this option and click this, and you will see sando so white. Oh yeah, remember you should put animation. It looks more cooler. Next of all, the duplicate the object and then drag this thing and make it smaller. And I don't even know what part is it, but make it dark. Oh, oops, I remember this is also. Oh shit, I mean, this is a family friendly channel, so we don't wanna curse. But anyways, make two materials. Then, uh, and then I really don't know what to do here. Oh yeah, I remember. Just delete the another material and just go there and drag it out and see, so eyeball, and then duplicate this thing too, and then like this. See, this is the eyes. Now all you need to do is go and make a new cube. You make it smaller, then put a new texture, and then go put a mission because my mission is so hot, and then color it black, and then make it smaller, and then drag it out, and then make sure to adjust it, and then like this, just drag it out. Now it should look like this, but that looks so lame. You never forget the C. So I'm too lazy, so I'm just gonna make it the blocky star shadow. But yeah, and then make like this, and then like this, then duplicate it, then put it here. And bam, that's how you make sando from Sando Universe. Yeah, this is Sando 3D. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Like and subscribe, click that bell, smash that bell I mean, and la la la. And that was the best tutorial of Sando. Of course, I'm not gonna scream in the ending. Anyways, like and subscribe for another YouTube channel. Watch Battle for Sando and Battle for Sakura Inc. Uh, Today's sponsor is Raid Shadow